So this is another creative recipe from my wife that she has decided that she wants me to make. So we're going to do a smashed chicken Caesar taco, which we're going to start with some ground chicken. So I've got this big pack of ground chicken here. We're just going to open that up. We're going to take probably about a pound of this and put it in to a bowl here just to get that seasoned up. Okay, so to my chicken, I'm going to season this with our Blackstone chicken griddle seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. Just figured this would give it a decent little flavor for the Caesar taco. We're just going to mix that up real good so that that seasoning is mixed all the way through as much as possible. Okay, so there's our chicken. So we want these to have kind of like a fried chicken texture, so we're going to use some of these Parmesan breadcrumbs. You can use Italian breadcrumbs or whatever it is that you want, but I'm just going to kind of spread these out on a plate here. And I'll show you what we're going to use that for here in just a second. So I'm going to set that aside, get a couple of flour tortilla shells here, taco shells. I'm going to get a handful of my chicken, and we're just going to kind of smash that real thin, almost like you would those smash burger tacos, but I'm not smashing it on the griddle. I'm going to go ahead and smash it on the shell now. You don't want it to be too thick because you want to make sure that chicken's going to cook all the way through while it's on the griddle. Okay, so once you've done that, the next step is you're going to take these, and you've got your breadcrumbs sitting here, and we're just going to put it chicken side down and kind of give that a good smash into those breadcrumbs. Try to get them nicely coated. Then we're going to peel that up. Ooh, look at that. Looks really good. Now that we've got our griddle good and hot and we've got our chicken ready, since we want this to kind of fry, we're going to put a decent amount of oil down on our griddle. And we're going to throw those chicken side down right onto that hot griddle. Right into that oil. All right, while those are cooking, I'm going to get some romaine lettuce here. And we'll pull off some leaves. We're going to make kind of a somewhat of a Caesar salad. So I've got my leaves here that we've washed, and so I'm going to just kind of chop those. I'm trying to make kind of like a chopped salad. So I'm cutting thin strips of lettuce. It just goes easier on the taco if it's kind of chopped thin. I'll just run my knife through them again, going this way. And we're going to take this, put it in a bowl here. To that, we're going to add some Caesar dressing. I want it to be nice and saucy, so we add quite a bit of Caesar. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a good toss. That's going to be our Caesar salad that's going to go on our taco here. We also want to throw some Parmesan cheese in here. All right, so we've got this nice big block of Parmesan cheese. We're just going to put a bunch of that in our salad mix here. And then we'll give that a good mix. Okay. Right. Mess that one up. Dang. There we go. Actually, those look pretty good. All right, so these are looking pretty done. So I'm going to pull them off. So now we're going to top each one with our Caesar salad mixture here. And since this is supposed to be a Caesar salad taco, don't skimp on the lettuce for these tacos. And then we're going to finish this off with a bit more of fresh grated Parmesan cheese right there on top. Make sure that gets all over this taco here. So there we are, our chicken Caesar taco. Look at that. All that's left is to give it a taste, see how it is. You can see the chicken's all nice and cooked in there. It's very good. The chicken adds a nice little bit of a bite to the taco. You got that crunchy lettuce in there. Caesar, got those Italian breadcrumbs or the Parmesan breadcrumbs. Very good. Let me know in the comments. Would you give this a try? What other variations of smashed chicken tacos could we do? Till next time, thanks for watching.